Hi and welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to make a young woodworkers kit project, the Spy Scope. This is a Spy Scope kit from the Young Woodworkers Kit Club. Let's get started. First, let's open up the kit. This is too slow. Let's speed things up. Let's see what the instructions say. I need to put my work gear on. Big and little hammers are ready. I'll use this magnetic dish to hold the nails. To build one half of the periscope, use pilot holes to nail edge A to edge of a short piece. Keep ends even. Nail edge B to other side of short piece. Keep ends even. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to build the other half the same way. Hammer time! Lay the two pieces edge to edge as shown. Fit a long piece into the open slot and slide it tight against the short piece. Turn scope on its side. Nail the long piece on both sides. Keep edges even. Turn scope over. Repeat on other side. Boy, there sure are a lot of nails in this thing. Fortnite dance time. Time to step up our game. Haha, get it? It's a pun. Nail both end pieces onto the scope. Make sure the pilot holes match the 3 sides. Peel the paper backing from the mirror and press one mirror onto the long side of each corner piece. Peel plastic film from mirror. Nail the corners with mirrors into the ends. Hammer drop. Time to paint. Let's speed things up. Paint and let dry. Add glow-in-the-dark stickers. Let's do some spying. Me and my dad had fun making this project. If you want to follow me on Roblox, my username is BuilderRig. Please comment if you liked the video.